This Umhlanga 2025, as you can see, everything is beautiful, everything is colorful, and we've got guests of His Majesty all the way from Israel. Shalom, shalom.
Oh, shalom, shalom.
Please tell me your name. What's your name?
My name is Ori.
Your name is Ori?
Yes, Ori.
Is this your wife or your sister?
This is my wife. No, not my sister.
Ah, you've got a beautiful wife.
Thank you, thank you.
Good evening, madam.
Good evening, sir.
And what's your name?
My name is Maya.
Oh, thank you, Maya. You're most welcome in the kingdom of Eswatini.
Thank you. It's a great honor.
Yes. Is it the first time for you to be here?
It's the first time, yeah.
Really? What made you to come here?
Oh, we heard about this from a long time, and we waited a long time to come. And yeah, now we just feel blessed to be here.
Oh, okay. We are also blessed as well here that you came here to grace the occasion.
Yeah.
What exactly did you hear about Umhlanga before you came here?
About the ceremony?
About the ceremony, yes.
We heard about the collection of the reeds, and it takes a week. And they are putting the sticks, the reeds,
Yes.
on the place, and it takes a lot of work. The girls work really hard, and they all come from all over, and they meet here, and then there is the dancing for 2 days. Yeah. Anything else that we heard? I don't know. I think that's all I heard.
Okay, beautiful. Pretty much it is like that. But actually the essence of this ceremony is to encourage the young girls, you know, to preserve themselves, to be virgins until their time to get married.
I actually heard that too. You're right. I forgot about that because I got nervous of the question. But we also heard that it's a way of encouraging respect for yourself and your body, and to save yourself for marriage.
Okay.
Right?
Good. You said you're Ori, isn't it?
Yes, my name is
Okay, Ori. So what is your experience so far?
It's been a wonderful experience. Eswatini is a beautiful country, and we're enjoying all the culture very much. And the people, and the nicest people we ever met. Yeah.
Wow, that's a very big compliment for you to say we're the nicest people. Yeah. I think you are correct. What can you say to other people, like maybe from other countries, even from Israel, Europe, and the world at large about our country, in terms of encouraging them to come and visit here in this kingdom?
I think that any person that visits Eswatini, the Swazi people, immediately makes you feel at home and part of the big Swazi family. And it's an experience nothing like anywhere else in the world.
Thank you very much. You're most welcome. I hope you enjoy everything that is happening here.
Thank you very much.
What can you comment about our handsome king?
Handsome king, well, we hope to meet him. If he wants to meet us, we hope to meet him. And it's him.
Represent Eswatini in Israel.
Sorry?
We want to represent. It will be a great honor for us to represent Eswatini in Israel and to let people know about this wonderful place. We will do whatever it takes.
We feel sadly that many Israelis don't know enough about Eswatini, and they should come here. And we would love to talk with the king to help him advertise and represent his kingdom in Israel, to bring more Israelites here.
Lovely, lovely. From what you've experienced so far, do you think you'll come back?
Definitely. I know I will come back. This is the first, but definitely not the last time.
All right. Okay. Wow. Thank you very much.
Thank
be blessed.
you.
Be blessed.
Yeah.
Shalom, shalom.
Shalom, John. Bless you.
All right. Thank you.
Mabukisi Foundation. Lwati nebuve ingcebo.